Like every time. But you just get the initial part started, and then you can detail it when you're done, right? Isn't that how it works? I am not, this is the first sandcastle thingy, whatever you want to call it. I just want to do it. I think it's really relaxing, other than the 2 hours, 3 hours it takes to build it up with all the sand up. And I didn't do it back there because all the dirt, all the birds go boo-boo in there, man. I don't want to play in that